Did you know this ancient herb can boost digestion, fight inflammation, and support liver health? Today we're diving into Costus Indian, a powerful Ayurvedic remedy backed by science. Stick around to learn how to use it, its benefits, and why it's a must-have in your wellness routine. Costus Indian, or Saussurea costus, has been used for thousands of years in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. Native to the Himalayas, this root was treasured for its healing properties, from soothing stomach issues to purifying the blood. Modern research confirms what ancient healers knew. Costus Indian is packed with anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant compounds. Key benefits include digestive health, relieves bloating and ulcers. Respiratory support, helps with asthma and coughs. Liver detox, boosts enzyme function. Skin healing, used in eczema and wound care. Anti-diabetic effects, lowers blood sugar. Studies show its active compound, costunolide, may even have anti-cancer potential. A study published in 2021 found Costus extract reduced inflammation by 40%. Another trial showed it protects the liver from toxins. You can use Costus Indian in 4 ways. 1 tea, boil 1 TSP powder in water, great for digestion. 2 powder, mix with honey for cough relief. 3 essential oil, dilute for skin or aromatherapy. 4 capsules, convenient for daily use. Did you know that Costus Indian is not just revered for its medicinal properties, but also for its historical significance in various cultures? Ancient texts from Ayurveda illustrate its esteemed role in holistic health and wellness. As we explore its impact further, you'll find that the wisdom of our ancestors still rings true in today's world. The potential implications of incorporating this ancient herb into your daily regimen are both profound and promising, inviting you to consider how such natural solutions can enhance modern lifestyles. Research shows that Costus Indian is not only revered for its therapeutic benefits, but also for its accessibility. You can find it in various forms, making it easy to integrate into your daily routine. From flavorful teas that awaken your senses to convenient capsules that fit seamlessly into a busy lifestyle, there's something for everyone. Additionally, the engaging aroma of its essential oils can transform simple moments into an uplifting aromatic experience, inviting relaxation and clarity. As you embark on your journey with Costus Indian, remember that balance is critical and listening to your body is paramount. Now let's delve into the specific applications of Costus Indian, particularly how to prepare it for maximum benefit. Making a soothing tea is one of the most popular methods. Simply boil 1 teaspoon of the powder in water for a few minutes. This delightful infusion not only promotes timely digestion, but also offers a moment of calm after a hectic day. If you prefer something sweeter, mixing the powder with honey can create a natural cough syrup, providing both taste and relief. For skin ailments, don't shy away from essential oils. Dilute them properly for direct application or use in aromatherapy to bring out the herb's full potential. Each method invites you to reconnect with nature's bounty, making wellness a delicious and fulfilling journey. Incorporating Costus Indian into your daily regimen promotes a proactive approach to health. In conclusion, Costus Indian is a testament to the enduring wisdom of traditional healing practices. The content in this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for personalized guidance regarding your health. Do not disregard or delay seeking medical advice based on anything presented here. If you liked it, press the like button, subscribe for more info, leave a comment, and share. Stay tuned for our next video. Press the bell so you don't miss it.